We can win this, don't wanna lose. You know, in the previous days, I can't go inside the grocery because I don't have lock in my bike. Now I have. Okay, we are home, and one of these I'll put in the chiller and one in the freezer. Okay, my bike is now cleaned, and that will be good for tomorrow bike. Yeah, at 6 o'clock, I always come here to watch the news. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going home now. I just finished my duty at 2 o'clock. Yeah, okay, we go. Nice weather today. Yeah, you can see it's really nice. A little bit cold but bearable. Actually, there are some family. One family, they are swimming in there. Okay, and there's one lady is going to sunbathing. Okay, we go. Okay, yeah, we stop here for a little bit. We're going to do a little pull-ups. Last time I did 12. I don't know how many today. Oh, a little painful. Look at that. I don't know, but it's a little painful. Maybe I force it. Nice, very quiet. There are some people, they are relaxing. Nice. Yeah, I just stopped here because I want to show you this jacaranda. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this beautiful. I mean, during this season, you're going to see a lot of this kind of flower. Most of the street in Grafton, they have this kind of trees. Try to Google it. It's Grafton. It is a town, a city in New South Wales. Yes, you can see this one, this tree. This one is still small, and there are 1, 2, 3. There are 3 trees in here, and actually there are everywhere. There are more around here. They are scattered everywhere around here. I remember in Sydney, near to Darlinghurst, yeah, there are many jacaranda flowers like that in there. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Jacaranga. Hey, that is what it comes to my mind. I am not sure. After oh, I just stopped here. I sit here for a little bit because I received a call, and now we can go. Like that, that's Jacaranga. And there is one more on that side. Here it is now 3:20. I'm hungry and I'm going to eat this. Yeah, it's over ripe already. I keep it in the fridge for a long time. I'm going to cook it very quick. This is the last onion I have, already dry. It is in the fridge. When you are cooking, you put first the oil, not like this. I don't know what I'm going to put more in there. Not the best, but it's okay. This is supposed to be with the tomato and some other ingredients, but I don't have. So this one is just like a scrambled egg with the bitter gourd. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, at the moment we are here. We are going out because I am a little bored in the house. I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning and the time now is 3:15. Yeah, I was editing video, watching YouTube and cleaning the house. Yeah, and also it was a little bit raining. I mean, from time to time there was a rain this morning, and now there are some sprinkler of water. And yeah, it is raining now. Let's stop here for a little bit. And I actually have a coffee in here. Yeah, this is the Nescafe. No, this is the 3-in-1 coffee that is given to me by yeah, Mr. Wally. The weather today has been really funny. It has been sunny, and then there is a rain, sunny, and now it's rainy again. I actually saw my landlord. He is cutting the grass with the lawnmower, and then he stopped because of the rain. Yeah, so I was driving and suddenly it rains again. Yeah. And at the moment I am here in the toilet. Yeah, I am a little covered by the roof. Yeah, there are few people. They are walking in there with their dogs, especially along the beach. There are many people in there. I have my raincoat and rain jacket in my backpack, but I don't know. The rain slowed down a little bit, and later on we are going to do some pull-ups in there. And the drops of the rain is getting heavier. Okay, let's stop here to hide in the rain. Nice, we are here. And there are some people in there. In there also. Oh, looks beautiful. Yeah, and there's one guy, he's taking have that kind of rides. I don't know what is that exactly. He also got a bike. I am running out of battery. Yeah, this camera now just have 15%. And at the moment we are here in the barbecue area, as you can see in there. Yeah, there are 2 barbecue area in here. This one, and there is one more in there. The afternoon.
What do you got there?
Good. Yeah.
You got the same.
It's the same,
Oh,
yeah.
you got the active line one. Yes.
Can
So
I show
nice.
you your bike?
Hey?
Can I show you your
Yeah,
bike?
sure.
Nice.
Yeah. That's Gen 4.
That's the latest?
one. Yeah.
Good.
A lot of push. A lot of push assistance. It's really good fun. And
Really
you find
good.
that pretty good as well, right?
Yeah, it's really good. I used this before to travel from here to Gold Coast.
Wow.
Yeah,
What
really.
about battery charge?
I charge in the caravan, some hotel.
You just stop there and
Yeah.
charge that. That's good. They go. I like it. I really
Yeah,
enjoy it.
really big. Very good. Nice. Yeah, they are having fun driving around. Really nice. The guy is having the similar bike, the same brand, but different kind. And the other one is something like a scooter, just one wheel scooter. Oh, the sun shows. Beautiful. But later on it is going to be covered again by the clouds and will be raining again. I have now just 10% battery on this camera. And I don't have any extra battery because it is not available here in Australia. If you buy something from the website of GoPro Australia, the product is going to be coming from Singapore. Yeah, and you cannot buy battery, just battery. You cannot do that because of the rules of the airplane, of the airlines. Battery is not allowed. You can only buy battery if you are also going to buy a device like a GoPro, a camera, or drone. The US GoPro website, they sell and they will send, but it is going to be with the ship, so it is going to be long time travel, not by airplane. Oh, I got an idea. We're going to Kmart. We're going to buy power bank, the cheap one, and we're going to use that for this GoPro. Yeah, we are now home. Yeah, I didn't able to record because I ran out of battery. I mean the camera runs out of battery. And I went to Kmart, but all the power bank that they have are the same big like this. And I'm looking for the smaller one that is fit on my GoPro. That's why I didn't able to buy, and I didn't able to power on the GoPro. And I am now home. I actually went to KFC and I bought this. We're going to eat chicken today. This is mashed potato with gravy, and there's a french fries and 3 pieces of this, and more chicken in here.